So my name is Mikhail Segal. I'm the president of TSR Grow. We've been in the industry for 14 years. So TSR Grow, we are an advanced LED lighting solution company. We like to say we bring solutions to horticulture and growing and really delivering crop steering through lighting. And the way we do that is we eliminate the driver off every fixture and centralize it into a rack-mounted power system that allows us to give full control and recipe-driven decisions to the cultivators so they can really optimize the lights and what they're doing for each strain that they're growing to maximize their yields and minimize their operating costs. I'd like to share that number one, we were nominated one of the top lighting companies at the MJs. We are growing globally. We have applications in Europe. We're really excited about some of the expansion and success we're having. And really, it's just been exciting to see the industry really embrace and recognize the types of solutions that we're bringing to market. We have a new campaign called Ditch the Driver, so getting the drivers off the fixtures, but we're also bringing more control solutions into the light to give customers even more capabilities. So from an environmental monitoring and control perspective, really bringing a total grow solution into lighting to optimize what they can do. So we're bringing out a lot more features into our solution in this coming year. So how do you reach us? Our website, tsrgrow.com. Instagram's a big one, tsrgrow_solutions. We'll respond anytime, so we're ready to meet you.